Today's video, we're going to talk about what exactly this very well-paid position within artificial intelligence AI is and how you can get involved in it and how you can study and actually get a job in this growing and promising field. Kind of jury's out right now is if AI or artificial intelligence is going to replace a lot of the mundane tasks and or repetitive jobs that are currently staffed by people at call centers or overseas or these types of works. And the answer to that is yes, probably a lot, and it's already happening. A lot of these lower level tasks are being replaced by artificial intelligence. Now, as far as we go up the food chain where the work requires a lot more intellectual capacity and thought processes and intelligence, you're still going to need to have humans in there who can think critically and logically and at a high level to basically do these tasks. That's not to say that you don't need any type of knowledge or understanding about AI. In fact, it's critical that you know what AI is, how to interface with it, and how to use it to become competitive and to make your job easier and more efficient. Now, what does a prompt engineer do? On a basic level, a prompt engineer is kind of like a translator where you're interacting with one party and another, and that one party is a computer and the other party is a human. So your ability or your job as a prompt engineer is going to effectively create queries into the AI search engine or the AI interface to guide the computer to spit out relevant answers to whatever you're seeking for. And you're seeing this a lot in the scientific community and actually the financial services industry where they're using AI a lot. It does a lot to expedite the work. It makes it a lot quicker and it makes it a lot easier for people to communicate and share over networks through the cloud or those types of communication channels. So the way to craft a good prompt is to take courses on how to do prompt engineering, because even if you're a very good writer and a very good communicator and able to do a lot of stuff that conveys what you're doing on a clear level with a lot of people, you're still going to need to know the lingo, right? You're still going to need to know, how do I create an effective prompt? And one of these ways that I found, or a good course I found, and it's free right now, is Coursera. The course is offered by Vanderbilt University through Coursera, and the instructor is Dr. Jules White, who is kind of one of these formidable people within the data science and AI space. So it is a very highly rated, and you'll gain basically a good fundamental skill set and understanding of prompt engineering, how ChatGPT works, prompt patterns, what are they and how to use them, as well as large language models. So if you're really interested in getting into prompt engineering as a career, you really need to take the fundamentals, and this course through Coursera is great, gives you great insight into exactly what prompt engineering does and how to go about creating effective prompts. And what this will give you is a good kind of base understanding of how prompt engineering works, and then you could kind of further your path to becoming a prompt engineer, also applying to jobs in the prompt engineering space. As far as what the future holds for prompt engineering and AI in general, I think it's safe to say that it's going to be one of these tools that gets used more frequently and more often. Whether you're a financial analyst trying to summarize the quarterly earnings of a company for an upcoming talk or speech, or to alert your investors on what's going on, it can be used in that sense. From a personal consumer point of view, I think AI is really good at kind of collating or getting a lot of this information into one central repository to where you can kind of collect the research and facts to make your statement or make your argument. So in a nutshell, yes, AI is here to stay, and you really need to understand how it works and to become well versed in AI and prompt engineering to not only to get a job if you want a job, because I had mentioned the career opportunities are just outstanding, but also in your daily life as a student and or as a professional. Thanks a lot for joining today's video. Hope you got a lot of value added. Don't forget to click subscribe and ring that bell to get updated on future content on this channel, which is all about careers tech, how to up your professional IQ. Until next video, take care.